rechargeable 24-volt lithium-ion battery. I use this for my motorcycle, my bicycle, and my car. This Snow Joe rechargeable battery pack is compatible with the Sun Joe and the Aqua Joe tools. It has the easy quick release by pressing the two white buttons simultaneously. Just press and pull. I like that it has the LED light indicators to show how much charge is left. It has an option for a standard charger, so you can charge it up. And after it's charged, you snap it right in, boom. Check to make sure it's charged. When it's down to one light, that means go ahead and recharge it. The only thing I don't like is when the battery goes dead. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.